a dent in the aluminum.
So did you buy this car brand new?
2 years old, had 18,000 miles on it. The guy I bought it from was a doctor. He had a 260, this car, and then he had a brand new Ford 27 when I bought it from him.
Wow. And so you owned it ever since then?
Yep.
And you drove it every day?
Well, for 7 years, it was my only car.
Yeah, during college, you drove it to
college and working for CSX Corporation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
7 years.
Yeah, you
tonneau
don't
cover, you love this. The side wings are really hard to put up. So I put the tonneau cover on it starting in March, or take it off and put the top down in March. Put the tonneau back up at Halloween. That was it.
Yeah, you don't see very many Cobras like this that have been used that much, and a real survivor, and a non-restored.
I spun it so hard on the 81 time, it's going to wipe the blades up and pull the blades off.
Wow.
Now they're not the strongest things in the world, but that's a good snap spin.
Yeah, you're lucky you didn't crash it.
No crashes. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
The dents are all human created or rocks.
If I had something like this that young, I probably never would have lived through it.
Well, that happened to a lot of them.
Yeah.
The real joy of this car is the way it works. It feels like a motorcycle. It smells like a motorcycle. There's a smell of oil and leather and just speed. It vibrates, shakes, it just drives like it should.
Right.
It's so easy to drive.
Nice.
My son says it is me.
Thank you for opening up that hood so I can see the engine. That's great. Thank you. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but all the original tags are still on there. They're stacked really high.
What's up?